Editing on Xbox doesn't have to be hard. Many gamers feel stuck when trying to edit videos, especially if they don't know the right tricks. Holding the controller for too long can cause hand cramps and make it harder to focus. But don't worry, there is easy ways to edit videos without holding the controller. So first, you can use the Xbox app on your phone to control your Xbox remotely. This lets you sit back and edit your videos from a distance. Next, try using Clipchamp. So it's a free video editor on Xbox that makes editing a breeze, all right? You can also use Microsoft Movie Maker for simple edits like trimming and adding music without needing to hold the controller. Another great tip is using OneDrive to transfer files easily between your Xbox and your PC so that you could do some edits on a bigger screen. And don't forget to check out the Xbox Game Bar for quick access to screenshots and video clips, all right? Now you can edit without the stress. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if this worked for you. Love you. Ciao.